Hi guys, welcome to Fynn's World. Today we are going to be opening the fart gun and this giant FGTEEV safe.
So we got these from Smith's. This is a season 2 FGTEEV safe. You excited, Fynn?
Yeah.
Very excited. So Willow has also got a season 2 FGTEEV safe and a fart gun as well.
Yeah.
We're going to see what the fart gun does at the end, aren't we, guys? Which is very exciting. Harry's here from Thuderous. Harry.
Hello.
Willow's here from Willow Funland. She's going to be opening her season 2 toys, so you can watch that video as well if you go onto her channel. And we are now very excited to, first of all, we're going to open this and put some batteries in the fart gun. But while we're doing that, Finn's going to show us this giant TV and what we've got in that. So we're going to get some stickers, glow-in-the-dark flashlight and chain, a big figure, some mini figures, and there's some really, really good ones. We're going to see whether we get rares or ultra rares. We're going to see what happens. This is season 2 FGTEEV toys.
Oh, we can get glow-in-the-dark.
Glow-in-the-dark as well. So, Willow, you excited?
Yeah.
Fynn, you excited?
Yeah.
Harry, you excited?
Yeah.
Right, let's get opening and see what we've got inside it. Harry's here to help today. Make sure you watch Harry's channel. There's lots of good videos on Harry's channel as well. Here we go, and Fynn and Willow, let's help Fynn to open these. Harry, will you help him get it open? Here we go. So, we're going to try and open this up now. Let's see how easy. Oh, there we go. We're in. We're in it. So you get in it as well. Fynn, sit down so we can see your face, Fynn. There we go. Good luck. Oh, sellotape on it.
Want me to get sellotape off?
Yeah.
So you get a storage case as well. Pretty cool. An FGTEEV storage case. There it is. Storage case.
Look at this.
Here we go. So this is the first bag here.
It's not squishy.
That's not a squishy one, right? That's good telling us about it, Fynn. I like it.
Do you want me to help? Do you want me to start it off, or can you do it? I can start it off then if you want.
Yeah.
Harry's going to help start it off for him as well. So that'll be good.
Hopefully it's a good one.
Oh, Fynn.
I want it to be a good one.
Fynn wants it to be a good one.
Yes.
Very
Please
good.
be a good one.
Harry, do you want to use the scissors? Start it off.
It's out.
There we
Put a
go.
hole.
So here we go. We've got a hole. Finn's going to open the first one. Harry, do you want to start opening the next one? We'll giving it a little bit while he gets that out.
Is this?
Let's see who we've got.
The start of the next one. It's
Look.
It is. What is that? It's like I'll have a look on the back.
I'm just looking at it. I'm
Who is it,
looking
Harry?
for it. I'm looking for it. I think
It is the
Is it the top? It's stubborn Neil, is it?
Sunburnt Neil. It's sunburnt Neil.
Yeah.
That's what you've got. A sunburnt Neil to start with. There we go. Let's leave him there in front. You can put him just here, Fynn, and everyone can see what we've got just there. That's where they need to line up.
Fynn,
So there it is.
Did you like that one?
With a bit of goo all over him there. A bit of sunburn and a bit of goo. Here we go. So we've got Sunburn Neil. He's just a normal. He's not a rare or anything like that. He's just a normal him.
There's not one of the Neil things.
No. It's a goat.
Is he?
It's a goat.
It's a goat. Which one?
Oh no.
Which goat have you got? Bring it out so everyone can see. Fynn, show everybody. And oh, look at that. It's a cool goat, actually.
Did that go?
Right, Fynn, if you put him where that is there, they'll be able to see it. That's where they can see it
Can you show
perfect.
me?
Look at his googly eyes. He is called Underworld Goatee.
Underworld goatee.
Underworld Goatee.
He's FGTEEV's goat.
Is it? Oh.
Okay, do you want me to
Open.
So we've got Neil, we've got Goatee.
Okay. This is Finn's.
That's a fat
This
goat.
might
That gun's making sound.
be Finn's last chance to get an ultra rare here.
Let's have a look what we've got.
Or a rare or something.
I can't get it out.
Okay, Fynn, let's see who will this be. If you can get it out, don't we do a bit more?
It's looking like good. Oh!
It's Pirate.
Patty.
Pirate.
Who is it?
It is. I can't see him. Is it?
Oh my days, it's a rare. It's a rare. We've got a rare. It's Colonel on the Cob. Colonel on the Cob is a rare. Colonel on the Cob. Well done, Fynn. So we've got a rare here, guys. Colonel on the Cob. That is a rare. Oh, and Finn's got some stickers there. There's Duddy. Duddy on the stickers. Brilliant. Right, so what else have we got? So we've got so far this, which is a rare. We've got a goat, and we've got Neil there. We've got Sunburn Neil. We've got some stickers of Duddy there. We're going to decide where to put the stickers later. Finn, do you want to show the keychain while we've got a thing? So we're quite happy with those. If Finn, you're happy with that, you've got a rare there. Kernel on the cob, rare, which is really good.
What's this?
That's your light keychain. That should be, Finn. That is your glow in the dark flashlight keychain. So. Show it to everybody. Come here.
No, this isn't a glow. This is a glow in the dark.
Oh, is this just a keychain?
Look!
Oh yeah, that's your glow in the dark keychain. You are right.
The glow in the dark keychain. Shall we show
This is the
what
sound
it says?
effect.
So,
keychain.
this got Finn. What does this glow in the dark keychain say on it?
FGTEEV.
It
Right.
says FGTEEV and a game of control.
Yeah. So this one is your sound one, Finn. So you have to press it in the middle there. Okay, so we've got that one there, which is the key sounder there. Finn, sit down, pal.
Do you like that one, Willow?
There we go. There's all the different ones you can get.
Wait.
There we go.
Okay,
Those are all the season 2 collectibles.
We have
that
two
we're gonna
things
get.
left.
So we've got
Which
2
one
things
are we
left. So
gonna
you've
do
seen our
first?
keychain, you've seen our light. Harry, where's the light, pal?
The light is here.
Put it there. So there's the light that we were talking about. We can put them on this bag now.
Do you want me to open
Look
it?
how big these two are.
Oh, these are the big ones. So it's very exciting. So,
Okay, this one.
doing well so far. We've got a rare. Doing well. Willow, are you excited to open yours in a little
Finn, what do
bit?
you think this might be?
Giant.
Giant
Gurkey Turkey.
It's
Yeah, you
Gurkey
I
Oh my days.
Turkey.
Who has got Super Gurkey Turkey?
He got Super Gurkey Turkey.
Super Gurkey Turkey. Pretty cool. What's the other one? So we've got
Okay,
Super
what's
Gurkey Turkey.
this
Pretty
then?
What
cool.
is it? What is it?
It doesn't
Don't
say
mean
these. It
keep
just
them.
says you're going to get 2 out of a possible 6. It doesn't say.
Okay, shall we see what
It
this
doesn't
one
say
is?
that they're rare or not with these
Yeah.
particular ones. It's the little figures that are different ones that are rare.
This
And
one-
like I said,
We'll be opening another big one.
here we go.
This is the final thing. Hopefully it's a good one. Nothing here. Go on. Let's see who will it be. It's
Leon.
Gamer Brat.
Gamer Brat, there he is. Look at that Gamer Brat, and we've got Super Gurkey Turkey. Pretty cool ones there. So now, this is what we've got from this. This is from Smith's Toy Superstore, FGTEEV Season 2 Giant TV, which includes, like we say, 3 minifigures, 2 in 2 big figures, 1 glow in the dark flashlight, 4 stickers, and 1 keychain.
Which one is your favourite then?
So the favourite little one is probably Gurkey, and then my favourite big one is probably the Gurkey Turkey.
Good lad.
Wow, that's a good one.
What do you think, Finn? Is it a good present? Are you happy with it? Do you think it's a good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
That's
Mike,
really...
go.
Oh.
Go.
Oh yeah, what's he doing there? So now we're going to show you this, which is the fart gun. Here we go. So this is the FGTEEV. FGTEEV fart gun.
Look at that. Oh, it stinks.
It's making lots of different noises there. It makes 10 fart sounds, and it lights up as well. You can see the lights at the side there. Lighting up, and got 10 different fart sounds.
Oh, you're getting Willow right in the face with them farts right now.
Fart in Willow's face. Alright guys, are we happy with that? You like that, Finn? Very excited. Right, on that note everyone, we would like to thank you for watching. There you go, bit of a fart for Finn. What do you say to all your subscribers, Finn?
Like and subscribe and hit the bell.
And thanks very much, and see you soon.
Now
Now go over to Willow's channel, and we're going to see her open the same, but she's going to get different things. Bye everyone.
Bye.